Hello guys. Hello guys. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you're live as well. Yeah, we will go straight away toward the charts. Let me check if you guys. Yeah, let me check if you guys can hear me. Yeah, I think everything is fine. I got the notification. Yeah, and uh, how to turn this volume off? Yeah, yeah. So yeah, we are live. I think everything should be fine. And this is 1 minute time from chart on a
We will
Bitcoin.
go straight away toward the
This is 1 minute time frame chart on a market right now, and on a Bitcoin. There are quite a bit of things I really wanted to have a look into right now today. In this morning session, it's 9:36 right now, and we have to keep in mind that it's a new session opened 9:30, which is done, and we have to keep in mind. Second thing is this: we have FMC minus as well at 7 p.m., which is 5 o'clock in the New York time. So we have that as well. We have to keep in mind that is important as well. So yeah, apart from that, there's no as such news. There's nothing on charts in here apart from that. And yeah, this is the first anticipation from the market from my end. Like there's no news in this New York session, nothing on charts, and yeah, we don't know like which way it could go from here. We don't know. We'll see. We watch and observe. We'll watch and observe the per second from here. There are a couple of things I'm really in concerned right now watching. Really want to discuss with you. This is 1 minute time from chart on Bitcoin. We have seen that this is the thing, like we have seen that from charts. uh just going to we'll start with the 1 hour time frame, and then after that I'll go to daily and 4 hour time frame as well a little late later. uh this was the 4 hour time frame fairly gap yesterday. So yesterday, throughout the morning session and throughout the day, market remained to trade in at this range. Market continued to trade at this range yesterday. Did not do nothing really. We was anticipating this kind of price action yesterday, and it has done the same thing. And it on daily time frame it closed bullish. It closed bullish, but it was more of like very sideways or jaggy price action from charts throughout the whole day yesterday. But it was still trading at upward level of this daily fairly gap and this green line on the 4 hour time fairly gap as well. It was still trading, like it has gone down as well at this range, but it hold this level, continue to go up, hold this range as well. And we have seen that today in at 10 o'clock, today at 5 o'clock, which is around about 10 o'clock in the London time, we have seen that when I woke up today, market was trading at around about at this range. So I go to 4 hour time frame. I realize we have all of those highs on daily time frame as well. I realize we have all of those highs which market has created yesterday price action. We have these lows on charts. Right now we're trading at 4 hour time fairly gap, daily fairly gap. I was like, the weight has created all of those highs yesterday. It may be bullish today. It may be bullish for all of those highs could be the reason for the market to be bullish. Could be a trade opportunity today. This is what it is I was thinking about yesterday. Not yesterday, early in the morning when I wake up, I was like, it could go from here bullish toward upper side. And then we go to 15-minute time frame. At 15-minute time frame, it created this fairly gap in here. This is the 15-minute time fairly gap. It come down to this range, hold this area. If you watch out what level at what point like you can really jump into trade for a buy is this inversion of this daily 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Market went toward upper side, invert this 15-minute time frame fair value gap, hold this area and then continue to be bullish, knocking all of those highs from here toward upper side. This is what it has done in today's price action from the charts. And what time is it? Like there was a couple of things I was really thinking about uh, in that time as well, because I was like, there may not be volatility on a chart. It is also possible that for the bearish case scenario, market create a local top at this range, because we have news late in a day today, 5 p.m. in the New York time. Market maybe remain sideways in the New York time and may roll down as well toward low levels. It is also possible. I was thinking about that as well. Like I was anticipating more of like sideways or maybe downward side for a second for the market. Technically speaking, I was bullish as well. These from this 15-minute time frame gap for all of those highs. But second possibility was it is possible that it is maybe rolled down or being bearish as well at this point. And then I could not be able to watch out this price action when it went down from here to this 15-minute after gap and then went up toward upper side. I was out. I was busy some other stuffs, and uh, and then we uh, and then we come back and then market was trading at this range. I was like, bro, it could have been a very good trade in this range. You buy at this point. At what point was a very good entry on charts? Like what could have been your stop loss? This is very important to understand right now. The inversion of this 15-minute after fairly gap. First of all, it hold this area, this daily 15-minute after fairly gap. You look for the market to create local bottom at this range. It did not give you any clear local bottom at this range. Then you go to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame market open, gone down. If 1 hour time frame, it has given us a clear low, by the way. If this candle close next 1 hour time frame candle, you buy. You put your stop loss below the previous 1 hour time frame candle. This is already a 1 hour time frame fair value gap as well. We have seen that market has performed. 30-minute time frame, if you watch out right now, uh, there was not a clear indication, but 15-minute time frame, it was a inversion of this 15-minute time frame fair value gap. Inversion of this 15-minute time frame fair value gap was a clear sign that market could be bullish from here all the way toward upper side. This is how it has performed today. And just went toward upper side, going all the way toward upper side. We can't do anything. I was not in front of the charts, could not be able to trade this one. Could have been a very good trade. Inversion of this 15-minute after value gap. You wait for the market, you don't know which way at what point what market will do. You anticipate all of those bullish, bearish probabilities and the possibilities. And after that, it's I think so it's better we discuss a live price action right now rather than discussing the old price action. We can discuss that a little bit later as well. But I quickly if we quickly finish this price action, you wait for the market, you anticipate all the probabilities. First probabilities, market could be bullish from here. What level? 15-minute time frame, 4 out of a fairly gap high, daily fair value gap high. It should not have to go below this low. Definitely at this point you're looking for the market to get local bottom, come down, create, hold this 15-minute time frame fair value gap, invert this 15-minute time frame fair value gap in here. It invert this 15-minute time frame fair value gap in here, tab into this, and then after that was bullish. If you go to this price action, this candle from the market, we'll go to 5-minute time frame, maybe 1 minute time frame as well. You can say that it has been quite this week at this range to the 5-minute time frame fairly gap as well. Keeping this 5-minute time frame fairly gap open is already a buy. You buy this point, this candle, you can put your stop loss below this week. This is already a good buy sign from the charts. So yeah, this is how it is. Market has performed today. It has went toward upper side. I could not be able to trade. Does not matter. You don't need to be worried about. You don't need to be feel like, oh, you have missed the move. You have done. Your life is finished now. Trading is not finished yet. Trading, as long as you're watching and observing the charts, trading never finish. You only it only finish when you think like, yeah, you give up or you lose too much money, all that things. Like for me, these things does not really matter. So right now we have to focus on uh, what next on charts. Okay, whatever it is, we could not be able to trade. What next? Always, it's always like that in trading. You take one trade, positive, negative. You do not take any trade, positive, negative. You finish one setup, you look for another setup on charts. So right now, as we're bullish, we have seen quite bullish per second from the market from this range toward upper side. I am anticipating further continuation toward upper side from here. How it is possible? This is what it is we have to discuss in this live stream. Let me delete these alerts for now, because we have a couple of highs. We have new all-time high very close to the price action right now. This is quite bullish price action of the market. First probability is I'm anticipating from here. Go to upper side, has knocked this daily high, continue to be bullish, try to knock the previous all-time high, and then after that 10 500 and 1010, and we have the previous, and then we can anticipate from the market to go all the way to this range from here 10 400 500, and we have all-time high is around about, what level is it? All-time high around about 112k from here. So this is how it is. We are watching and observing for the bullish case scenario on the price action on charts. The other thing is I'm really very quite concerned about is it's not mandatory that market has to be bullish from here. It has been already bullish before the New York session as well, and smart money knew everybody is bullish right now. Retail trader has bought at this point. Smart money knew that, so possible that they may send the price toward low levels as well from this range. Maybe from this could be the top. These are the tops. This is what is these tops. I'm really watching on bigger picture time frame as well. Look at this 1 hour time frame. If for example market close at this range, open next candle, do you think next candle well market will be knocking the all-time previous candle high? Maybe not possible. Maybe possible, maybe not as well. 30-minute time frame as well. We're watching and observing. This is a 30-minute time frame gap. Keeping this open, which is great. 1 hour time frame gap inverted, holding this area. As long as it is trading above this 1 hour time frame gap, it could continue to be bullish from here. Try to go to the upper side, which is quite likely possible as well. 15-minute time frame gap in there, 15-minute time frame gap in there as well. On 5-minute time frame, if you watch out, uh, so this is how it is. We are watching and observing the charts right now. This is the I'm anticipating if it has to continue to be bullish from here. Right now, I'm anticipating these local highs for the bullish case scenario to this daily high, to the previous all-time high, and 110 500 from here. 110 500 is a daily fairly gap high. This is what it is I'm looking for right now. 110 500, because it is quite bullish. That's why. And the other reason is everybody's bullish, looking for the market to go to the upper side. Smart money may send the price toward low levels as well from here. Possible that the weight has gone up from this range to all the way to the upper side. The weight has gone up. Same weight could be going down as well from here toward low levels. This is how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts, keeping an eye on the charts, and yeah, let's see how it goes, how it performs. Yeah, if for example, if this is a top on a market, definitely should not have to go above this high. Should, if it not has to go above this high, it should have to create local top at this range, and then never go above that high, and from here go down if it has to be bearish toward downward side. Let's see how it performs. This is a 5 minute time frame fair value gap as well, 15-minute time frame fair value gap as well in here. 15-minute time fair value gap in here. We have here as well. As we're bullish, if we come down to this range, I will look for the market to hold this area and try to be bullish. But we are very well known of the fact that if it has to go down from here, smart money could send the price aggressively toward lower levels as well. The third possibility for me that may play out is it is also possible that the third possibility that may played out in this morning session is we cannot deny this is possible that market could um, remain sideways in this morning session. The reason is we have FOMC minus late in the afternoon, so that's why, which is also possible. You cannot deny about that. So if I wanted to see this 1 hour time frame close, which is very important. This 1 hour time frame close like that, this will be a big wick. Market may not be bullish on next 1 hour time frame candle to knock the previous 1 hour time frame high. Then we can anticipate a bearish price action toward low levels. Then we can anticipate this could be the top. This is how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts right now. So for example, if this is the top on the charts, this should be the high. This should be the high as well. For a short, my stop loss will be above this high. This fair value gap, I'm anticipating it should have to cap to this fair value gap open. Tends to be bearish to knock this low, invert this 1 hour time frame fair value gap for all of those lows as well to downward side. Let's see, for bearish case scenario, it has a potential to do this. Yeah, because we have this is a 30-minute time frame fair value gap as well. So look at this. Everybody's looking for high levels on pricing right now. Everybody is like bullish. Market has already been bullish before the New York session opening as well, and smart money knew that. That's why they will send the price toward low levels from here. I'm keeping a close eye on 1 hour time frame close. 1 hour time frame close is very important right now, guys. 1 hour time frame close will tell us that if the previous 1 hour time frame candle market will go above or not. So yeah, this is how it is like right now. So look at this, 2 minutes left. It is going down really. Look at this. And you look for the market to give you a local top on charts to 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 give to enter a trade, and you knew this is a bullish, quite bullish price action from the market, and you look for the market to be bullish definitely. But what smart money has to done is it has to send the price toward low levels from here. This is a 30-minute time frame failure gap. I wanted to highlight this one right now, and I wanted to see inversion of this 30-minute time frame failure gap, and aggressive inversion, not like very slow, very choppy. I'm anticipating it should have to keep this failure gap open, tends to be bearish from here, and from this third low level of this 30-minute time frame fairly gap for bearish case scenario, you just have to tab into that and then go down. It may not possible that the way I am anticipating it may not play out, but we are just anticipating. Maybe it is possible that market, if market spend too much time at this range, continue to remain sideways. For example, if I go have we have done short at this range, I was thinking about this at this range on with this one around time frame, like if this is at this range when it was trading at this range, I was like this could be the high. You can go for short, stop loss above this high for low levels. If you're 100% that market is going to go down from here. I was anticipating that it could be going down from here. Everybody is bullish, looking for bullish price action toward upper side. Market has gone up before the opening of New York session. Definitely, there is no denying that bearish case scenario was this one, just which is what I have explained it to you. And look what market has done. Yeah, so that's how it is. For bearish case scenario, I was just anticipating at this range. I was anticipating bullish case scenario to this daily high, previous all-time high 110,500. I was anticipating those levels from charts. Two, I was anticipating those levels literally for bullish case scenario. And On top of that, it was also in my mind as well. Everybody is bullish. Market has already gone up in the morning session. Smart money knew that they will send the price low levels from here, and we have seen from here downside price action. And this downside price action, I am anticipating continuation for these lows. In that case scenario, you should have to keep this value gap open, and from here tends to be going down to knock all of these two lows. Yeah, at least these two lows I'm looking for, maybe weekly high. I have not checked like on a bigger picture time frame what could be the level where we could go down into, but just on bigger picture time frame, if you watch out, I'm very well known of the fact that we can anticipate a major pullback from this high toward low levels, because the reason is the way market is creating all of those highs, keeping those highs in play at this range, keeping those highs in play this range as well. So it could create highs very close to the previous highs, and then pull back toward downward side, pull back toward downward side, pull back toward downward side. We can anticipate a major pullback toward downside from here. This is also, and if this is the value area high of the range as well, we have to keep this in our mind. On just on a bigger picture time frame, just on bigger picture time frame, we are trading close to the value area high of the range as well in here. And market has been very jaggy and slow at the value area high of the range. It should not have to be like that. If it broke a level of support or resistance, for example, this was resistance, it broke this level of resistance, it should not never have to come down. It should have to be bullish. It should never have to come down. This is the level of resistance. It broke this level. It should not have never to continue. It should not have to continue to trade to this range. It should never have to do this. It should have to be like continue to be bullish. Trading inside this range sideways could be going down as well from here toward low levels, which is also possible. We cannot deny about that. So these are the things we are watching. I'm watching. We are watching and observing from the charts that may played out, may not played out, and keeping an eye on charts. We'll see how the market will perform. We'll see how the trading is gonna be. We are just watching, anticipating, and observing the charts right now. Just on a bigger picture time frame, I will just explain to you. Bigger picture time frame could be this high for bearish case scenario, could be the local top. The way we have closed on 1 hour time frame and shown rejection. This is quite aggressive rejection from charts. This is quite aggressive rejection from Bitcoin. Quite aggressive for me. And we can anticipate it because this is a value we have the range. We have been trading quite aggressively at this range. If we come down, we can anticipate a major pullback toward downside from here. Maybe for next 2-3 months, market may remain bearish. This is also possible as well. We cannot deny this. So look at this 1 hour time frame. I was just explaining to you. We was waiting for just 1 hour time frame close. Look at this 1 hour time frame close. This candle, red candle. Do you think this 1 hour time frame market has the potential to break this high and then be bullish? I don't think so. It is likely it is going to be going down from here toward low levels. I cannot go for any kind of short right now because we are late. We are late. Yeah. This at this point when we close at this red candle could have been a short. Put your stop loss in there initially, then it went down from here. Now your stop loss is there. This is a fairly gap. We are anticipating keeping it open, then go down for these lows. This is what it is I'm looking for right now. Just on 1 minute time frame. Just on 1 minute time frame, I'm looking for the market because it is going down. We are not taking any trade. My initial stop loss is there. Imagination stop loss. I am anticipating keeping this fair gap open. From here, it should have to tend to be go down from these lows and this weekly high. Spending too much time at this range, I'll be not confident on charts. We will close our position at break even. Should have to be aggressively going down from here toward lower levels. Let's see how it perform. But this is the, we have to keep in mind, this is the first 10 minutes or 15 minutes going on the new 4 hour 1 hour time frame candle. We can anticipate or expect from the market to do what? To be remain sideways or maybe a little bit bullish as well for the this 10 to 15 minutes, which is also possible. We cannot deny this. That's how it is. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, like, yeah. Let's see this candle close bearish. Let's see this candle close bearish. Then after that, my stop loss will be above this high, 109,300. And then we will be looking for lower levels, 108,900. I'm looking for this low, by the way. We may go for a short at this range, a demo short, if we close bearish. But I wanted to watch and observe the charts right now. Really, I wanted to make myself confident, like that this should play it out. That's why it's better to sit still. I think so right now. Yeah, look at this. This is not this candle did not give me really a good. If it would have been closed like bearish, like at this range, then I would have been confident to look for bearish scenario, for bearish case scenario. But it did not close well. So yeah, let's see if market create failed gap in here. This candle. Look at this 5 minute time frame close. It seems to me it wants to go to a downside. You can put your stop loss now in here. Let's see. My stop loss is above this high, 109,299, and then we're looking for low levels. There's no trade we're taking, even though in a demo as well, we're not taking any trade, we're just watching and observing. For example, if you have gone for a short at this range, stop loss above this high, how would you feel? Now we're trading at this range. Not an ideal short, not obvious short. But if you're really confident that it is really going down, you can keep your stop loss in here, let the market do whatever it has to do. I'm not really confident that it could go down from here. It does not seems to me that it is too obvious. So that's why we're sitting still, doing nothing. Sorry, just a second, guys. I'll go get back to you. I have to make a call. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god, I'm tired. I want to sleep. By the way, I don't know. I'm quite tired. Yeah, I have to do some other stuff as well. Quite a bit of stuff I have to do. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. What do you think? We should have to end this live stream or no? I think so. This morning session will be market remains sideways. This is 10 o'clock. 7 o'clock we have a FMC minus. Yeah, we can come back after 7 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now. I can't sleep for 2 hours. Come back. Hmm. Yeah. It not seems to me that we should not deny that market is overall still bullish. But this one out of MD not seems to me that it may be bullish, may remain bullish. But yeah, it is quite boring right now, by the way, and I'm really sleepy at the moment. I want to have a quick nap. I think I should end this live stream, guys. It is quite boring. Overall, we were still bullish, looking for the market to go toward upper side. This point, we was anticipating for the market to be bearish. Still, I would say that could have been a short, not an obvious short. I would say that if I would have gone for a short at this range, I would have stopped out in here. In profit, definitely. I would have closed my position just after that, no trade, because I knew we have a news coming up at 7 p.m. Market may possible that completely remain sideways in this New York session. If in this New York session market continue to remain sideways and continue to hold any of those level, create highs very close to each other in the afternoon session at 10, afternoon session in the 7 o'clock, which is 5 o'clock, we have a news as well. In that time, we can anticipate a bullish move toward upper side from the market. or maybe any of the news, any type of news may come out, and then market may come down as well. So far, right now, this Fed really wants to lower the interest rate. It is possible that they do, if they lower the interest rate as well, and this will be a quite bullish news from the market as well. So that's how it is. We are watching and observing the charts. If the interest rate will be low, then all of those people who have buy or lend money, they will have more cash. So more cash means, yeah. So yeah, we can anticipate that lower interest rate could send the price toward upper side from here. Let's see how the things will go, how the market will react to those levels. And I think I should quit this live stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the same time. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yep, take care.